Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to Kraken. This process involves preparing both accounts and carefully executing the transfer. We'll cover essential security steps and what to expect during the transfer. Ensuring your accounts are ready is crucial for a smooth experience, typically taking 30 minutes to a few hours for completion. Before initiating any transfer, it's vital to prepare your Robinhood account. First, ensure you have enabled crypto transfers and completed all necessary identity verification steps. Activating two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, protecting your assets. Confirm that your Robinhood wallet holds the XRP you wish to transfer and check for any daily or weekly withdrawal limits that might apply to your account. This preparation helps prevent delays. Next, you'll need your specific XRP deposit information from Kraken. Log into your Kraken account and find the funding section, then select Deposit. Choose XRP from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Kraken will provide a unique deposit address and a crucial destination tag. Both are essential for XRP transfers, so copy them precisely. Double-check every character to avoid any errors. With your Kraken details ready, return to Robinhood. In the crypto section, select XRP and choose to send. Paste the Kraken deposit address and the destination tag into the designated fields. Enter the exact amount of XRP you want to transfer. Carefully review all transaction details, including the address, tag, and amount, before confirming. Transfers typically complete within 30 minutes to a few hours, so monitor both accounts for confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.